Hey guys, welcome to another video. So, today I'm going to be showing you how to make lemon oat bars. They're kind of like lemon bars, but more on the richer side, but they are so amazing. You really need to get in the kitchen and make this. So let's get started. First, let's get started on the oat mixture. To our large bowl, we're going to be adding in our all-purpose flour, oats, our white sugar and our brown sugar, baking soda, and a tad bit of salt. We're going to get my whisk, and we're just going to start mixing. Now we're going to be adding in our very softened butter. You really need it to be room temperature and soft so it can be easier to mix in. I'm actually going to get my fork and I'm going to start mashing it into the oat mixture. Once all the butter is mixed in and it's really crumbly, we're going to add half of it to our parchment-lined pan. I'm going to press it down to the side. We're going to bake this for about 10 minutes. While that is in the oven, we're going to be preparing our filling. We're going to grate our lemons to get the lemon zest. Squeeze out all the juice. Don't be shocked, but to our bowl, we're going to be adding in 2 cans of condensed milk. Second can, now we're going to add in our lemon juice, our lemon zest, heavy whipping cream. Alright, now we're going to whisk it up. Alright, once it's mixed, it should look like this. I'm actually going to add just a little bit of yellow food coloring to make the color pop. I'm going to pour the mixture on top of the crust. Smooth it out. In case you forgot, we're going to sprinkle over the rest of our crumble. I'm going to pop this back in the oven. Alright, it's done. Once it is out of the oven, I recommend refrigerating it for about 4 to 6 hours. But if you are like me and don't have the patience, you can freeze it for like half that time. Alright, that is a wrap for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe to my channel if you want more amazing recipes, and say goodbye. It's rich, it's creamy, it has a really good lemon flavor and sweet. And yeah, see you guys next Saturday.